Today, we will take a look at a Fluke 17B Plus multimeter, a brand new machine. The fault is battery corrosion. I have taken out the motherboard. As you can see, the corrosion is very severe. It has spread to the back of the board as well. As for this degree of corrosion, I would not recommend repairing it. But the owner said he still wanted to try it. So I'll do my best. It has been fixed. You can see that everything here has been cleaned up. Then where the wire was broken, a jumper wire was connected. Although it may look ugly, it doesn't affect its function. And now we can test the power on. There is no problem with the power on. And because the contacts of the button here have all been repaired, we need to test if it works. It works fine. It works fine. The backlight is also fine. The range switch is also working fine. The relative value button also works fine. So it is confirmed that all the button functions have been repaired. Let's roughly measure the accuracy. Test the resistance range. No problem. Then let's test the capacitance. There is no problem with capacitance measurement. Then we don't need to test the other function. The accuracy should be fine. So this meter is happily repaired. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.